Welcome to Orion Auto Update. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 KTM 450XCF, a dirt bike that's built for extreme cross-country racing. KTM has once again pushed the limits with cutting-edge performance, refined handling, and top-tier components. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a game-changer for off-road riders. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KTM 450XCF is the legendary 450cc SOHC engine, now optimized for better throttle response and power delivery. This high-performance powerplant remains lightweight yet incredibly powerful, delivering unmatched torque and acceleration. A revised fuel injection system and improved cooling ensure consistent performance in even the harshest conditions. Frame and suspension. The bike features a new generation chromoly steel frame, enhancing stiffness for precise handling while maintaining rider comfort. KTM has also fine-tuned the WPXACT suspension, offering improved damping to absorb rough terrain more effectively. Whether you're hitting high-speed straights or technical rocky sections, this setup provides superior stability and confidence. Electronics and rider aids. KTM continues to lead with advanced electronics, equipping the 2025-450XCF with selectable engine maps, traction control, and an optional quickshifter for seamless gear changes. The updated launch control system gives riders a serious edge off the starting line, making this bike ideal for competitive racing. Ergonomics and design. The bodywork and seat profile have been refined for improved rider movement and control. The slim design allows for effortless handling, while the updated graphics and factory-inspired color scheme give it a sleek, aggressive look. A newly designed fuel tank maximizes capacity without sacrificing ergonomics, ensuring longer rides with fewer pit stops. Final thoughts. The 2025 KTM 450XCF continues KTM's legacy of dominance in the off-road racing world. With more power, better suspension, and smarter technology, this bike is built to conquer any terrain. Whether you're a professional racer or a serious off-road enthusiast, the 450XCF is ready for the challenge. For more updates on the latest bikes and automotive news, be sure to subscribe to Orion Auto Update. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the new 450XCF?